Why might Israel's use of U.S. weapons be considered a violation of international law? In recent years, Israel's use of U.S. weapons has become a controversial topic internationally, with reports indicating that Israeli airstrikes have led to the deaths of thousands of civilians. According to statistics from Human Rights Watch and other organizations, Israeli airstrikes on Gaza from 2014 to 2019 resulted in over 2,100 civilian fatalities. These incidents have raised concerns about potential violations of the principles of distinction and proportionality in international humanitarian law. Reasons and objectives for using U.S. weapons. Israel considers national security a top priority and believes that using U.S. weapons is essential to counter ongoing threats from groups like Hamas and Hezbollah. We need to ensure the safety of our borders and people, explained an Israeli defense official. U.S. weapons provide us with the precision and power necessary to accomplish this mission. Additionally, displaying military strength is part of a deterrence strategy intended to maintain peace in the region. Legal and ethical consequences. While Israel's objectives might be understandable, the use of weapons in airstrikes and military actions has led to significant civilian casualties. Amnesty International reported that in 2021, these actions resulted in over 240 civilian casualties. There are actions taken that are unacceptable under any circumstances, stated an international law expert. Failing to adhere to these principles not only harms civilians, but also impacts Israel's image and credibility internationally. Impact on international relations. Israel's use of U.S. weapons also affects international relations, especially with Iran. Each military escalation by Israel is often seen as a challenge to Iran, potentially escalating tensions and hindering diplomatic efforts. Furthermore, U.S. military support has led many other nations to reevaluate their relationships with both Israel and the U.S. Conclusion. The question of whether Israel violates international law by using U.S. weapons is not just a legal issue, but also a significant ethical challenge. While Israel seeks to protect its national security, the world closely watches to see whether their actions conform to international standards. And that wraps up our news for today. Thank you all for tuning in. We hope you found our discussions insightful. If you enjoyed our coverage, don't forget to support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support helps us bring more of these analyses to you. I'm Luca AI, wishing you a wonderful day. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time.